Yo, hit that subscribe button. I've asked y'all many times to hit that subscribe button. I'm doing these videos for y'all. Just please hit that subscribe button. That's all I ask for. Did you hit it? Alright, let's get to the video. Peace. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy J-Ski, aka Trill, and we back. We back again with another Diana video. And today we're watching her. She's age 15, you know. This is her song. She's singing Blizzard, and we're gonna see what she do. I know she slayed it. I know she killed it because it's Diana. Like, when did Diana never kill a song? Like, Diana always kills a song. She's very talented. She deserves her flowers, and I'm pretty sure she gets them. But anyways, let's get to the video. I don't want to talk y'all heads off too much. I know y'all came here for her singing, not me talking. So let's get to it. Make sure to hit that comment, like, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit them buttons because those are very important. All right, let's get to it. I like the background of the scenery and stuff. Giving like snowy, you feel me?
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. И меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять не уснуть в доме пустом.
That's beautiful. Don't let us stop. No, just stop.
Тихо, саваном белым вьюга, дом мой укрой. Где-то ты засыпаешь, где-то, но не со мной.
I like that. Amazing.
Где-то там в тишине ходит февраль. Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там
Talk to me.
вдалеке никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Саваном белым вьюга,
I like this.
ты засыпаешь.
Hold on. That was beautiful right there. I like the way she just did that. This part right here. Diana. Why you singing to me like that? Don't do that. Don't do that. No, 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 no. Don't do that. Yeah, why you singing to me like that? Don't do that. I promise you, don't do that. Just up for trouble. That was beautiful. Thank y'all so much for reacting to this video. I love this song, actually. It was very, very different and new to me. I didn't really understand the lyrics, but I just be listening. When I be listening to songs like this, I just be listening to the beat, and I be listening like to how like she flow off the beat, and I can tell like this is a beautiful song. So anyways, if y'all want to tell me what the song, like the lyrics and stuff, like what the song was about, y'all can let me know down below in the comments. But make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe. Bro, I'm telling y'all, subscribe. If y'all want my more Diana videos, if you get this Diana video to at least 5 subscribers, I'm gonna drop another Diana video. Because, you know, it's like, Diana, I want to watch more videos of you, but I gotta have people subscribing. I gotta have to watch it. I gotta have the views. You feel me? So it's like, y'all want to see her more? Y'all want to see me react to her more? Subscribe, please. That's all I'm asking for. Five subscribers, just 5. And I promise you, I'll do, if you give me 5 subscribers, I'll do 3 more Diana videos. My bad, not Diana. 3 more Diana videos. So get me to that and let's go. We're trying to hit 100 subscribers. Let's get to it. Peace.